Victor Gatobu here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're always welcome here, and thank you so much for watching my videos. So it's on a Monday, and I'm on my way to work. Let's go. So I'm currently at Isinya, and I want to head to work. Then I'll see how the day goes. I hope today is going to be a good day, and hopefully the week is going to be awesome, man. Let's continue having fun. Oh yeah, the fuel prices. I have to go and look at that later. Yep, just another Monday morning. And it looks nice. It's currently 7:35 and I'm almost at work. So today I'll be early. Yep. So the next right turn is work. So I just got to work and let's have some fun. Let's have some fun, guys. $7:39. So guys, it's currently 1:07. I'm so tired, man. I've been working since morning. Now it's time to go eat something, For those of you who know, I'm going to my usual place, which is Kibandansky. And for the new guys, I'm going to show you the place. Let's go. I want to go to that side. So I have to wait. Yes, wait. Sure, I've indicated and then go slowly. Whoa. Oh, there's that guy coming. That guy coming. Sukos Kibandansky. This is the place, man. This is my nice parking spot. Just going to put it there. Unfortunately, guys, I wasn't able to show you the Kibandansky. It was full, but I'm gonna show you this. This is my favorite drink of all times, man. Love this more than even driving. It's really hot, guys. It's really hot. So guys, in the evening, I'm gonna go and check out the fuel price, man. Because in Kenya, it's like you wake up and the fuel prices have changed. You go for lunch and the fuel price has changed. Then before you sleep, the fuel price has also changed. Anyway, it's life. So guys, that was a long day of Monday work. Now time to see my drive to, or rather my drive from work to home. Let's see. So guys, this is my drive to or from work to home. Yeah, sure. So guys, let's go and see the fuel prices, man. The fuel price is so high. Yeah. It always feels good to leave work. So guys, I've been thinking, what will I be doing with my work? Like, what will I be doing with my time when I retire from work? Let's say I reach my retirement goal of $5 million in the bank, and then I retire. What will I be doing with time, man? What will I be doing with time? Because I get to work from 8 to 5, but when I retire, what will I be doing with that time? Maybe I'll be flying around the world, flying all the way home, just flying. But at the moment, let's drive to the gas station and see the fuel price. See, we have a tanker from Tanzania in front of us. It's called Oust Ken Boy. The Citesa. When I love driving, I really love driving. So let's go to the gas station and see what the price is. Let's see. So I'm going to the cheapest gas station in Kenya. Let's see what the price is. So guys, as you can see, that's the price. 217.36. Yeah, it's bad. Guys, thank you so much for watching, man. I'll see you in the next video.